If you can't trust yourself, you can't trust anything. Because if you can't trust yourself, can you trust your mistrust of yourself? To live, I must have faith. I must trust myself to the totally unknown. Why I made this point as an introduction to what I want to say tonight is the problem of the relationship of man and nature. We need to experience ourselves in such a way that we could say that our real body is not just what's inside the skin, but our whole total external environment. There is another self, more really us than I. And if you become aware of that unknown self, the more you realize that it is inseparably connected with everything else that there is. One should, above all, trust human nature. In the full recognition that it's both good and bad. So then, here is a conception of nature as something you must trust. Outside nature and inside nature, human nature. Now, nature isn't trustworthy. It'll sometimes let you down. But that's the risk you take. That's the risk of life. Now, here's the choice then. Are you going to trust it or not? And this it is yourself, your own nature, and all nature around you. If you do trust it, you may get let down. There are going to be mistakes. But if you don't trust it at all, life's not worth living. Live, I must have faith. I must trust myself to the totally unknown. It's at that moment that you are a perfectly rational human being.